customer is at the center of everything that we do as a utility. And I think that's very much in line with the strategies that we build out at SDG&E for our clean transportation team. We've been in this space for about 10 years now. In 2017, we launched our first flagship pilot to provide infrastructure to our customers in workplaces, apartments, and condos. From there, we started scaling up and diversifying and trying out different pilots to see what sticks and what doesn't. We've installed charging infrastructure for various port tenants. That varies from electric forklifts to yard trucks to larger trucks. We've supported ground support equipment at the San Diego International Airport. We've worked with fleet delivery providers and shuttle buses. We also did our first installation of public chargers at 4 different park and ride locations, a combination of level 2 chargers and DC fast chargers. We've dabbled with some education and incentive programs, so we've actually partnered up with some local dealerships, provided education to their sales force. Obviously not about the vehicles, they know those things in and out, but when it comes to answering questions that come up from their customers about how do they charge the cars, what is their monthly bill gonna look like, we wanted to arm the sales force with all the resources they need in order to close a sale. We partnered that up with a financial spiff, so additional commission for more EVs that they sell, which worked pretty well, as you can imagine. And then from there, we just continued scaled up. So where we are today, what you see on the screen is our current portfolio of infrastructure programs that we offer to our customers. We're in our 3rd year of rolling out our Power You Drive for Fleets program, which is geared towards electrifying medium and heavy duty fleets in our service territory. Anything from Class 2 to Class 8 qualifies. We're aiming to electrify close to 3,000 customers, right? And that includes things like electric forklifts, and that includes public charging hubs, and just thinking through the transportation corridors that we're gonna need in order for the goods movement to be electrified in our service territory. I mentioned our flagship pilot earlier. It was successful. In a period of about 2 years, we've installed over 3,000 chargers at about 250 sites. It was in high demand, and so we got approved for an extension of that program. So that is something that we offer today, is infrastructure for workplaces, apartments, condos. And then in April of this year, we launched our EV infrastructure, Rule 45, which is essentially a new business pathway specifically for separately metered charging sites outside of the single-family residence. So again, incentives that help subsidize the cost of design, construction, circuit upgrades, and things of that sort with a goal of accelerating transportation electrification.